Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Roblox. For that you just need to open your app store. There you will see search button, tap on that and again tap on it to open your keyboard. There you need to type ROBLOX and then tap on the search button, and this is our Roblox app, and you'll see a get button right there. Tap on that and then it will start downloading, and then it will prompt you to double click on your power button, and when it prompts you just double click on it and it will scan your face ID, and after that it will be downloaded and installed in your mobile phone. And to know if it is downloaded or not, you just need to check this area. If you see open button in this area, that means it is installed, and that is how you can download and install your Roblox like this. Tap on your open button and that is how you can open your Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.